After Vimpalasi, I am going to record Rag Bageshree. Same notes Sa, Re, Komalga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Komalni, Sa. But you will find a completely different flavor, different fragrance from this rag. Normally we learn ragas by some basic points which हम बोलते हैं जिसको lexical outline, lexical points like आरोही धनी सा गा मा धनी सा अवरोही सा नि गा मा पा धा मा गा रे सा. This Avarohi is also a part of Arohi and Avarohi. Sa ni ga ma pa da ma ga re sa. And non-lexical part ga ma dha, like phrases. And then comes the deeper aspect of the deep structure of ragas. First, we know the notes, then Nyas Swaras. Bageshree, the most important Nyas Swaras are Ma and Sa. Ma Sa. Ma Sa. But in this rag, it's such a vast rag because Sama, Repa, Redha, Gani, Mani, Masa, Pasa. There are so many Vatsambad. That means fifth note relationship. Like Masa, then Sapa, then Pare, then Redha, Dhare, Mani or Nima and Masa, Pasa or Sapa. But here Pancham is very uniquely presented. Pancham, the position of Pancham is really unique and not comparable to so many ragas. It's very delicate and it's not very easily used. Normally, the Pancham is very intricate in Bageshree. And Bageshree, normally called Bageshree. That means this is the name of Mother Saraswati, Bak Devi. Mother Saraswati. So Bageshree is a very common rag to learn, to understand, but very unique rag to learn and to present. Very unique. And the first time I learned Bageshree when I was 8 years old from my Master Mashai, my first guru of Raga music, late Kanaidas Bedagi. And it's already almost 60 years, not 55, 56 years. But still I find some new avenues. I was just discussing all these avenues with my son and student Sri Onol just now, before half an hour. Still I have found 2-3 new spaces in this rag. So every time you try to find out, something new you find. This is the uniqueness of our raga music. It never ending. So Andolit swaras in Bageshree are normally Gandhar and Nikhad. Ga ni Vadi Sambadi normally Masa. Then Apanyas. Dha. Almost like Nyas but not Nyas. Because the complete rest we never find in Dha. Either in Ma or Sa. And then Grahaswar, any note you can say. Da ni sa ma. When the Ma is the final station, destination, and you start from Dha, then the Grahaswar ni sa ma or ni sa re ni sa ma or Dha ni ma da ni sa ma da ni ga re sa ma. So the point to start, that means Dha is Graha, Nyas is Ma, and in between how many ways you can try to find out to make the unique presentation of these phrases is the most important thing. And now the important phrases. Da ni sa ma. What I sang in Bhimpalasi. Pa ni sa ma. Here dha ni sa ma. Ma ga re sa. Apanyas in Dha and also in Re. Apanyas. But ma dha da ni. Also partly Ni and Ga can become Apanyas, but not, you cannot stop there. Ma da ni ni ni, but ma da ni ni, you cannot sing. Ma da ni 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 ni. In a way, Ni and Ga can also be treated as Apanyas, but normally no. Dha and Re. And Pa. Ma pa pa dha ga. Then they would become the Andolit Swar. Ni da ma pa dha ga. Then Dha, which is a Apanyas Swar, it also becomes Andolit Swar. So there is no definite rule that this note will never be Andolit, only other than Bad Sambad. Bad Sambad will never be Andolit or oscillated. So da ni sa ma ga re sa. Phrase sa ma ga ma dha. No, sa ga ma dha, no. Da ni sa ma ga ma dha. Dha da pa da ni da. Dha pa da ni da. Ma pa da ga. This is the third phrase. Ma pa da ga ma ga re sa. And another phrase. Ma ga re ni da ni sa. Ma ga re ni da da ni sa. Or ma da ni ga re sa. This is not very normal. It's little unusual. Ma da ni ga re sa. but this is also a phrase of Bageshree. Ni ga ma pa da ga ma ga re sa. This is also a phrase. So after knowing all these phrases, now we'll have to go to the bandish. This is the basic important characteristics of Raag Bageshree.